Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to tag user on Reddit. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the Reddit application in your mobile and then you have to open a Reddit post or comment. Then you want to type the user. Navigate to the post and comment section, and here you need to write tag in a correct format. You have to write this u, then slash, and now you have to enter the username of that person you want to tag. I will write something like this here, u slash Fazan. And now once you have done that, you just simply have to tap on this post in the top right corner. Just simply need to write tag and then person you want to tag, and then simply tap on this post in the top right corner and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.